Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making our whipped soap and whipped sugar scrub base. So in this bowl I have my SCI noodles, which I have used my Ninja and kind of ground down just a little bit. And now I'm adding in my distilled water. Next we have stearic acid. Next we have our coca metaproxyl bentane. Lastly, we have our vegetable glycerin. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this over to our double broiler. Alright, so I've just added this to our pan of about 1 inch of boiling water. I turned the heat down, it's on a medium low, and I'm just going to gently stir this every couple minutes. I did set the timer on my stove for 35 minutes. That's not a guaranteed time as to when it will be done, but it'll just give me an idea where it should be at. So I will just kind of stay in here for the next half hour and whisk it every couple minutes and bring it back a few times so you can see how it's looking. So it's been 11 minutes. Here's our clock showing our countdown. So it's starting to look kind of jelly, but you can still see a lot of the noodles. So we are really just waiting for those noodles to all melt down. It does take quite a bit of time. So I'll bring it back in about 10 more minutes. So it has been another 10 minutes. My husband is still just jamming out on the drums in the basement. Oh, now he's done. Okay. So it's getting there. It's definitely getting there. It's not ready yet. We keep stirring it every couple minutes. Let's check in another 10. It's been another 10 minutes and we are nearing the end. I just see a couple little noodles here and there. Almost everything is melted. So hopefully this will be ready when the timer goes off in 4 minutes. So here is our final product. So 35 minutes was the magic number for this. So next I'm going to stick blend it for about 1 minute. So now I am just going to let this sit for about 15 minutes until it cools down a little bit more, and then we will add in our preservative. We will transfer it to our other container and we will let it sit, and that will be it. So it's been about 15-20 minutes. We are at 146 degrees, 144, somewhere in there. So we can safely add in our preservative now. And we have to add a preservative because we added water to this and the water will mold. So we'll mix this around really good. Pour it into the final bucket, and this is ready to set up. Alright guys, so be sure to stay tuned to tomorrow's video to watch how we make this into whipped soaps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.